problem is that while I agree that these are full faith and credit securities, and we haven't defaulted since sometime in the 1770s or so, and we have no plans to do so now, what is actually there is paper, and it is a first call on tax revenues. Now, those are tax revenues that are going to come in from income taxes and various and sundry other things. And yes, they'll go to the Social Security system. But at the same time, we still have a problem with health care, and health care is running massive deficits, as Mike mentioned. And we have problems with the economic measures we've taken in the last 6 months or so to deal with the economy. And unfortunately, we have a lot more demand coming for that tax money than we're going to have tax money coming in.
So when you say first call on tax money, after those two trends pass each other and we're paying out more than we're taking in,
right,
the Social Security recipients in the 2020s, of which I hope to be one.
Me too.
And I think you guys hope to be in that number too.
Right.
We will be also taking money, not only from people paying Social Security tax who are working, but from the general tax revenues of the United States.
Absolutely.
That's right.
And the fact is that if we keep taxes at the same level that we have historically, about 18% of the economy, the three programs that Mike mentioned, Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security, are going to suck up every single dollar of that tax revenue starting around 2050 or so. And unfortunately, if we could put health care issues off to the side and say, we'll deal with you later, Social Security probably would be a fairly simple problem to fix. But we can't. It's all coming in together.
Well, the same people who are going to want that Social Security check are also going to want the health care.
Exactly.
Again, all of us getting old and sitting around this table this morning.
Right. Yes.
So what's the solution in simple terms? I mean, obviously, you've either got to increase the money you collect, or say to the people who are hoping to get Social Security checks, you're going to get less. That's it. Those are your choices, right?
That's the bottom line when it comes right down to it. You can try to make your money work harder by increasing private savings and things like that. And the Obama administration is working on that and increasing opportunities for retirement savings. And that's a very crucial element to this whole thing. We really can't look at Social Security separately from overall retirement income. But as far as Social Security goes, either we raise taxes, and there are costs to that because it makes hiring somebody more expensive, and that's especially true with younger people and lower skilled workers. Or we're going to have to go through, which what I think is going to happen, is to change benefits. We're probably going to have to raise the retirement age, probably up to 68, 69, something like that. And we're going to have to focus the money that we've got coming into Social Security even more than we do now on those who need it the most.